Hi guys, kami po ang Muni Muni. Thank you for having us here. This first song, the song that we'll play is a song about the fear of losing someone. Yung gusto mo na yung person na yun laging nasa tabi mo, na lahat ng bagay na bumubuo dun sa person na yun laging within your reach. And ang title nito ay Bawat Piyesa.